solving problems in physics and literature and history. But I want to correct that, you know, because I've been thinking, I think and I firmly believe that it is not the togetherness that binds us. It is the memories that bind us together. Like right now, you know, after so many years, we're still here, you know. And for a lot of us, this should be on the top of our list. Not only because we are all here and we are savoring the blissful reunion, but more so, I would like to say it's because it is done in California. Okay? And give me a few minutes, you know. I want to thank the California fundraisers, headed by Ms. Fajardo. In November of 2004, we had a meeting and we established that California Fundraisers Committee, which until now is going strong with the leadership of Ms. Fajardo. And we have, yeah, I know, and our Vice Chairwoman, Eden Jenkins, and Vice Chairman Rafael Contreras, and a lot of our members, including Cora, Ira, and Delphine and the others, you know. And while I'm here, I would like to announce that according to, where's Eden? According to Eden, okay, we will have another 5th turnaround, casino turnaround is coming December 3rd in Fantasy Springs. That's like just a simple fundraising, you know. That will be our 5th for the California fundraisers. And I'm so proud to tell you that the California fundraisers is one of the best committees that we have established for MI65. It's 2 years now and still going strong. Well, Epi, thank you so much, okay? Just, thank you everybody, you know. Well, Epi is like silent, but on a lot of times I always, when I'm in doubt, I ask her, you know. She's simple, but she gives me valuable advice. Same with Eden. And Rafi. Well, these events yesterday, the other day, and today will not be possible without the efforts of Rafi Contreras, you know. He's a leader. And all of you are leaders, you know. I cannot complain.
They'll exert a lot of
course,
effort to
you know.
have another baby.
I don't think I would. It looks like he's making another man, you know. According to somebody here, you know. Well, I would like to thank Batch 71. You made me like I'm so surprised. I'm still surprised, you know. And the thing that you gave rolling me, it's a milestone, you know. What?
Another baptism next year.
Okay, I've said my piece, and again, I want to thank Batch 71.
You are loved and you are needed. Yes. Yes.
Well, let me answer to that, no? In Tagalog, alam ko kailangan nyo ako, subalit para sa akin, MI65 ay nandyan. Pag ako'y kailangan, ako ay kawangis ng isang... Sa MI65, listen, ang kawangis ko ay isang manikang susian na sa bawat pihit nyo'y kikilos, gagalaw. Yan ako. I'm at your beck and call.
Pag na-issue, nagpalagay na.
Pwede mo ba ako magsalita ng Tagalog?
Oo, hanggang mo sasabihin ko. Malaka na ka ng pananalita, nakabubuntis ng damdamin.
Nais kong ulitin. I wrote something else, you know. I wrote something in, I remember a lot of things. There are
Alam ko Tagalog.
things that I don't remember, you know. Ito, tatagalogin ko. Maghintay ka.
Ang bagal eh.
Sa website natin, nagkaroon tayo ng mga tribute. I made a tribute to Miss Belsa. You know, Chidoro Belsa?
Naintindihan kaya?
Sabi nga ni Miss Belsa eh. Class, naiintindihan kaya? Yun ang kanyang ano. Naunawaan kaya? Okay. May nung sinulat sa website natin na it's about prayer, you know. Sabi ko sana ang mga nangyayari sa Bat 65 ay sana ay huwag magningas kugon, you know. Sana ay maging tuloy-tuloy. Parang agos ng isang ilog mula sa Marilao at may kawayan tumutungo sa dagat Pacific.
Mabango yun.
Hindi bala. Sana ay tuloy-tuloy. Katulad din ng pusong nakasumpo ng damdamin ay tuloy-tuloy ang pagbibigay ng pagmamahal. At binanggit ko pa rin na tsunami. Na sana ang ating napag-uusapan sa mga sandaling ito ay sana huwag matulad sa isang bangkang papel. Yan, Miss Belsa yan, ha? Isang bangkang papel na sa pananaw na isang makata ay sumasagisag sa isang pangarap na marupok. Isang bangkang papel na sa munting ihip ng hangin ay tangiin ng agos patungong karagatan, layo. Upang doon ay ipaghampasan lamang ng mga alon sa dalampasigan. Hanggang ang bangkang papel nito ay unti-unting wasakin, dulugin, hanggang maglang parang bula. Alala ang bagay, ang aking pinadalangin na mangyari sa ating MIC Class 65 ay sana ay ito ay maging isang binhi, si good seed, isang binhi, isang buhay at makabuluhang binhi na kusang dagitin ng isang ibon sa ipapawid. At sa daong paroon ay ilaglag sa kapatakan lupa upang doon ay muling tumubo, muling lumaki, muling magsubong, muling mamulaklak at muling mamunga. Yan ang aking panalangin na sana ay tuloy-tuloy. Ang sabi nga ni Celio ay tsunami ang lakas. Yun lang. Palagay ko I've said my piece and I've said more than enough. So I want to savor this letter. This is good. Paroli, what's up?
May one in here. Tagalog Santa Maria. Yung Tagalog ni Using Batute.